Hello, hope you understand what were the adjacent angles, linear pair of angles. I have explained some examples as well. Now I'll start with exercise 6.1. So AB and CD intersect at point O. AOC plus BDE. See AOC plus BOE is 70 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 70 degree. 1 plus 2 we have been given as 70 degree. BOD is 40 degree. Since angle 3 is 40 degree, we can see AOB and COD are two lines. Therefore, angle 1 is equals to angle 3, which are vertically opposite angles. So, angle 1 is equals to 40 degree. Substitute this in this equation. 40 plus angle 2 is 70. Therefore, angle 2 is 30 degree. We have to find angle BOE. So, BOE is 30 degrees and reflex COE. Reflex COE means this angle. So first I'll find this angle COE. AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB is 180 degree linear pair. So AOC angle was 40. COE plus 30 is 180 degree. So angle COE comes out to be 180 minus 70 is 110. So therefore reflex COE will be 360 minus 110, which is 250 degrees. So this is our answer. Why did I subtract this with 360? Because the complete angle of a circle is 360. Since this was 110, therefore the remaining portion of this circle would be 360 minus 110. Next, POY, this angle is 90 degree and the ratio of angle A and B is 2:3. So if let ratio be x, therefore angle A is 2x and angle B is 3x, but their sum would be 90 degree because since this is 90, therefore this will also be 90 by linear pair. I show here POY plus POX is 180 degree. So POX is equals to 180 minus 90 is 90. So A plus B is 90. 2x plus 3x is 90. So 5x is 90. Therefore x is 18 degrees. So A is 2 into 18 is 36 degrees. B is 3 into 18 is 54 degrees. Now see, B plus C is 180 degree due to linear pair. B is 54. 54 plus C is 180. So C is equals to 180 minus 54 is 126 degrees. This is your answer. Third question. We have been given PQR is equals to angle PRQ. See, angle PQR plus angle PQS is 180 degree. So we can write angle PQR as 180 minus angle PQS. Name this as equation 1. Similarly, PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degree. Write the reasons. Linear pair. This is also linear pair. So angle PRQ is equals to 180 minus PRT. This is equation 2. Given we have is PQR is equals to angle PRQ. So substitute these 1 and 2 in this. 180 minus PQS is equals to 180 minus PRT. 180 gets cancelled. This implies PQS is equals to PRT. Hence proved. Next question, fourth. X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. We have to prove that AOB is a line. So X plus Y plus W plus Z is 360 degree. I told you this is a complete circle and all the angles around the circle is 360 degree. So we can substitute, instead of X plus Y we can write W plus Z because it is given. Right, brackets given. So twice of W plus Z is 360 degree or W plus Z is 180 degree. Since these are adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree, therefore AOB is a straight line. We have proved in an axiom that this will be a straight line. Linear pair axiom. Hence proved. do write each and every reason in the proof questions, then only your answer will be complete. Now POQ is a straight line, OR is perpendicular. Perpendicular means this is forming a 90-degree angle on the line. We have to prove ROS. This angle is half of QOS minus POS. So I'll again draw the figure for you. PQ, R, and this is S. POS, yeah. So since OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore angle POR is 90 degree. POR is 90 degree. I can write it as POS plus SOR is equals to 90 degree, because this is the sum of these two angles. Or ROS, SOR is ROS only, 90 minus angle POS. This is equation 1. Similarly, QOR is 90 degree because this is forming an angle of 90 degree. I can write QOR as QOS minus ROS. QOS minus ROS is 90 degree because QOR is formed by the difference of these two angles. So, or I can write ROS is equals to QOS minus 90 degrees, because I took it here and this came here. I'll add these two equations. So what I'll get is 2 of ROS is equals to 90 minus POS plus QOS minus 90. 90 minus 90 is 0. So this becomes QOS minus POS. So ROS becomes half of QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. Sixth question. We have been given is XYZ angle is 64 degrees. XY is produced to point. See, XY is produced. So XY is produced to point P if ray YQ bisects ZYP. Here a ray YQ is there which is bisecting this angle. We have to find XYQ. Where is XYQ? This angle. So I can label as this both angles as A because both are same. So A plus 64 is equals to 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair, because YP is a straight line. So 2A is equals to 180 minus 64. So A can be written as 58 degrees. We have to find XYQ. XYQ is 64 plus A. 64 plus 58 is 122 degrees. And reflex QYP. Where is QYP? Reflex will be this angle. A was 58 degree. Therefore, reflex QYP will be 360 degree minus 58, which is 302 degrees. This is your answer. Thank you.